Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Thomson Android TV and opening settings. This gets the TV ready to accept new devices. Next, insert fresh AAA batteries into the remote. Weak cells cause pairing failures, so make sure they're seated firmly. Then move the remote within about 3 feet of the TV and turn off other Bluetooth gadgets nearby to avoid interference. Once done, keep the TV on the Settings menu. You're about to open the Bluetooth device list and begin discovery. You now enable pairing on the TV. Go to Settings, select Remotes and Accessories, then choose Add Accessory to start scanning. While the TV searches, press and hold the remote's pairing button for 5 to 7 seconds until its LED blinks rapidly. This signals discovery mode. Back on the TV, a device name appears. Select it. When the pairing prompt shows, confirm with the TV remote or on-screen button. This handshake exchanges keys, so the remote can control the TV securely. Once paired, test navigation arrows, OK, volume, and power to ensure full functionality. You want immediate response. If the remote doesn't pair, first reboot the TV and try fresh batteries. Often a simple restart clears the issue. If problems persist, remove the device from Bluetooth and repeat pairing, or perform a remote reset if available. As a last resort, consider a factory reset of the TV. Note this erases settings, so only use it when all other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.